out to sea. Alright. Look for Rob Skip with those in back there. You're going to watch me skip, Rob.
Come over a bit early on.
I can't imagine that needs any wind at all, that wing.
It needs a good old shove. But you need to just let it go, you know, rather than heave it.
Yeah.
So you've got to get it up to speed.
He runs with it.
Where are you? Yeah, no, I've got to go.
Oh, mate.
Look at that.
Steady as a rock.
It looks like horse tails.
It does, doesn't it?
Glorious.
Take care, mate.
See ya.
Catch you later, Darryl.
See ya, Darryl.
Tell now. This looks like the bee's knees.
I think that's better.
Oh, good. With a bit of lead. Yeah. Flying pretty sort of. Is it flying itself, sort of thing?
Shame that prop don't fold, isn't it?
Yeah, we'll have to do. We'll have to sort that, won't we? Do you know what make the ESC is?
Yeah, I'll be king.
Oh.
This is a glider really, but it's got a motor to get it up there. So, you know, you can get some lift.
Yeah.
Pretty much indefinite really.
Yeah. It certainly looks impressive, doesn't it? It's a bit quiet as well.
Nicely, yeah. Nothing we like about it.
Can you land it and catch it in the air?
A bit too big and heavy for that.
Yeah.
That's 3 metres wingspan. It's a lot better, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. Now that's how I expect it to.
Yeah. It was dropping before, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was almost pivoting on the wing point, but now it's actually got a proper.
And now, about an ounce of lead, was it? About an ounce of lead?
Yeah. I think that tail's alright.
Yeah, that extra weight did it.
You were toying with the idea yesterday.
Yeah.
Calm over. The flat, calm beach, blue skies. Magic.
Nice, isn't it? Best day of the year so far, I think.
Yeah.
To order some 4S batteries now.
So once that prop folds, it'll be much more slippery.
Mm.
A lot of drag going on there.
Have you got a brake on it?
You can't set it. We've been through the setup procedure millions of times, haven't we, Phil?
Yeah.
It just won't set. I actually think we've probably got too much on the tail now. It's flying so nose down.
Yes.
I think it's a bit too much.
Not flying flat like a glider, is it?
No. But, you know, nose down is good. It stops it stalling, but... A bit of an extra flying, I haven't trusted it yet. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I'm worried it might just pull out.
Yeah, I've just got to... I mean, look, I'm moving the elevator. Nothing's happening. See that?
Oh God.
Right? Look, check the stick.
Oh.
I'm doing that, and nothing is happening.
Yeah.
So I think it's too much now.
Take a bit off that bit of bolster, Derek.
I mean, that is so dead, isn't it? And look, wiggle, 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 wiggle. What's that? Third? Yeah, well, you would have thought so, wouldn't it? It hasn't got much authority in the tail for some reason.
Because the tail plate's on the angle.
It could be semi-stalled, I don't know.
And
But the trouble is, if it flies too nose high, the wing blanks it. Yeah. So nose down is better because the tail plane is in the end.
So quiet, isn't it?
it's lovely. Might as well be your plane, really, mightn't it?
Very narrow profile, aren't they, those wings? When it flies overhead, you really see it.
Is that 2.6 or 3 metres?
3.
Yeah.
We've even got that glider sound.
Yes, there was there, wasn't there? Whoosh. A gentle.
Not your sky surfer. He starts flying it like it.
I've got to chuck it around, otherwise I'm never going to feel happy flying it.
Yeah.
I can't fly it close to the ground and know it a handle like it's meant to handle.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
All you can do is end up flying it.
Well, I'm doing that with the biplane,
Yeah. But I don't want to stay.
Your comrades up there, when it gets close to the ground, you'll start getting excited again.
Hang on, I'll put it in the cloud, then fly it.
I'm flying this more on the rudder in the turns.
Yeah.
I'm side skipping.
That's lovely.
Well, I'm trying to the prop won't fold at the moment, so you always get the prop going round. You can hear it whistling.
I found it quite surreal when I was doing my lessons and just sat in the front of one and you could the guy behind you like you are now. Just like that much because of the trumpet glass and
Landing.
Yeah, that's Bob.
yeah.
I'm slightly happier with this now. And it's turning on a sixpence now, isn't it? Look at that. Ailerons are slow though.
It's just the length of the wings, isn't
You'd have trouble rolling it.
That's true, isn't it? When the longer the wings
Yeah, generally.
An annoying Sunday flyer that decides to fly over the whole of Hailing doing his aerobatics just pissed me off. The whole of that season doing aerobatics and that's it over my own. Constantly droning in the afternoon and on the bottom. I've laboured for any bloody pilot.
last year we saw them over Thorney that way.
What does that like, eh? Lovely, isn't it?
There's not enough to worry about. Definitely not enough to worry about.
I could almost just come in straight down the long strip, couldn't I?
Yeah.
I think that would be easier rather than trying to turn over the fun bit. Yeah, we'll try that. Line up, and then if it goes wrong, it goes wrong.
That's what I found. It really was slow. Oh, yeah. No, you can't do that with this bloody parking meter.
What about your air brakes?
That's the parking meter. I mean, that's what we've got to do. We've got to build really big models. That's what we've got to do. The bigger ones are really enormous. They're not gonna...
I was playing with the air brakes and
Is that batteries, eh?
you know what, I'm going to land this way. Like I did that first time, remember?
Yep. Lovely.